Future perfect tense. Usage. Something will already have happened before a certain time in the future. Form. Will plus have plus past participle. Examples for affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms in the future perfect tense. I will have finished my homework by 10 o'clock. You can also say, I'll have finished my homework by 10 o'clock. I will not have finished my homework by 10 o'clock. Or, I won't have finished my homework by 10 o'clock. Will I have finished my homework by 10 o'clock? He will have forgotten me by then. You can also say, he'll have forgotten me by then. He will not have forgotten me by then. Or, he won't have forgotten me by then. Will he have forgotten me by then? You will have gone to school. Or, you'll have gone to school. You will not have gone to school. Or, you won't have gone to school. Will you have gone to school? She will have left. Or, she'll have left. She will not have left. Or, she won't have left. Will she have left? We, you plural, or they will have received it. You can also say, we'll, you'll, or they'll have received it. We will not have received it. You can also say, we won't have received it. Will we have received it? It will have arrived by 7 o'clock. You can also say, it will have arrived by 7 o'clock. It will not have arrived by 7 o'clock. Or, it won't have arrived by 7 o'clock. Will it have arrived by 7 o'clock?